The women's suffrage movement. The women's suffrage movement helped women gain equal rights. Before I talk about that further, explain or describe this cartoon. What do you see? Well, if you look closely, you have the women over here on the left-hand side, all dressed up, ready to go out. And on the right-hand side, you have the men that are over here. They look upset, visibly. And the jobs that they're doing are typical jobs that women would normally do during this era. Sewing, taking care of children, washing clothes, whatnot. So this is like a role reversal image of the 19th century. So supporters of the women's suffrage movement declared that all men and women are created equal. They believed that women were deprived of basic rights, and some of those included the right to vote, which is probably the main arguing point of the women's suffrage movement. It wasn't until 1920 that Congress passed the 19th Amendment, giving women the right to vote. Women were also denied educational opportunities, especially higher education. Typically, women would get an education anywhere from through 6th or 7th, maybe 8th grade, learning fundamentals of math, language arts, or English, and those types of things. Because then, after that, women were, or girls were typically taught how to cook, clean, sew, that type of those types of skills, because that's what their place was in society. Women were also denied equal opportunities in business. If women were allowed to work, they were typically paid less, and they'd be doing jobs that were just as dangerous as men, in some cases maybe even worse. They were also limited in rights to own property. So women were not allowed to go buy a house or go buy land. The only way women typically were able to own something is if their husband passed away, or maybe their father passed away and they inherited the family property. The movement was led by strong women who began well before the Civil War and continued well after the war ended. Again, that 19th Amendment was passed in 1920. One suffrage movement leader was Isabel Sojourner Truth. She was actually a freed slave, and she was also a women's rights leader that fought for slaves and women's rights. Another was Susan B. Anthony. She was a prominent organizer of women's rights. She was also an abolitionist. She dedicated her life to helping women gain equal rights and the opportunity to vote. She worked closely alongside this lady with Elizabeth Cady Stanton. She was also a women's activist and leader of the suffrage movement. And they organized many different rallies together to help gain equal rights for women. So what's important about this is that the suffrage movement helped women gain equal rights, and there were many different leaders that were a part of this for a very, very long time period.